Welcome to Demystifying Agriculture. Today we embark on a journey to explore the invaluable wisdom of indigenous farming practices. Knowledge passed down through generations, sustaining both communities and ecosystems. Indigenous farming or traditional African farming is more than just a means of sustenance. It's a harmonious relationship with the land, rooted in respect for nature and cultural heritage. Let's delve a bit into the wealth of knowledge embedded in these practices. At the core of indigenous farming are principles like agroforestry, polyculture, seed saving, and community stewardship. These practices not only sustainably produce food, but also nurture biodiversity and preserve cultural identity. Agroforestry is a cornerstone of indigenous farming, where crops are grown amidst trees. This practice not only provided shade and windbreaks, but also enhanced soil fertility, water retention, and biodiversity. Polyculture is another hallmark of indigenous farming, where multiple crops are cultivated together in the same plot. This mimics ecosystems, increasing resilience to pests, diseases, and climate variability. This is a concept that's been cultivated for millennia in Africa. Seed saving is a sacred tradition among indigenous communities that basically took on a ritualistic form because of the kind of reverence given to it, preserving biodiversity and ensuring food sovereignty. By doing this kind of reverence to the saving and exchange of seeds, farmers maintain a diverse gene pool adapted to local conditions. Community stewardship is central to indigenous farming, where collective decision making and shared resources sustain both people and the land. Traditional practices were passed down orally with a lot of mystification and fostering intergenerational wisdom and cultural continuity. Our ancestors taught us to work with nature, not against it. By respecting the land, we ensure its abundance for future generations. Our traditional knowledge holds the key to resilience in the face of climate change. We must honor and preserve it for the sake of our communities and the planet. There is a popular Yoruba saying that goes, "Kàkà kí ilẹ̀ ó kú, ilẹ̀ á ṣá," which literally means rather for the land to die, it will degrade, which is why our ancestors have learned to just leave a land fallow for a certain amount of time for it to regain its fertility. In conclusion, indigenous farming practices offer invaluable lessons in sustainability, resilience, and cultural preservation. By honoring traditional knowledge and supporting indigenous communities, we can cultivate a more just and sustainable food system for all. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of indigenous farming practices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insight into the world of agriculture. Until next time, happy farming. Demystifying Agriculture, signing off.